Hello everyone, I am Siddesh Kumar from Ranchi, Jharkhand. I am currently studying in MCA from Sarla Birla University, Ranchi. This video is created to tell about MERN FULLSTACK development. This internship is done through the Webstack Academy, Bangalore, in the guidance of Richa ma'am. Here are the overview of full stack development. Full stack development refers to the practice of developing both the front end and back end components of a web application or software system. A full stack developer is proficient in working on all layers of a technology stack from the user interface to the server and database. Here's an overview of a full stack development. Front-end development. Front-end development focuses on creating the user interface and user experience of a web application. This involves working with technologies such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build responsive and interactive web pages. Backend development involves building the server-side logic, databases, and APIs that power a web application. It includes working with server-side languages, databases, and server infrastructure. Database management. Full-stack developers need to understand how to design, query, and manage databases. This includes data modeling, SQL structured query language for relational databases, and NoSQL data stores for non-relational data. DevOps and deployment. Understanding deployment pipelines, server provisioning, and cloud services to deploy and maintain web applications. Project management. Skills in project management methodologies and tools are valuable for coordinating development tasks, settings, priorities, and meeting deadlines. Here are the goals of the project. Internship serves several important goals for both the intern and the organization offering the internship. Skill development. Internships provide an opportunity for interns to apply and enhance their classroom knowledge in a real world setting. They can learn new technical, soft, and industry specific skills that are valuable for their future careers. Professional experience. One of the primary goals of an internship is to give interns practical experience in their chosen field or industry. This experience can help them understand how organizations operate, the dynamics of the workplace, and the expectations of professional behavior. Networking. Internships allow interns to build professional networks by interacting with colleagues, supervisors, and industry professionals. These connections can be valuable for future job opportunities and career advice. Resume building. Completing an internship adds relevant work experience to an intern's resume, making them more competitive in the job market after graduation. It demonstrates to potential employers that the intern has practical skills and has applied their knowledge in a professional context. Personal growth. Internships often challenge interns to step out of their comfort zones, develop problem solving skills, and become more adaptable and resilient. They may also improve their time management, communication, and teamwork skills. Here are the about full stack web development. About MERN full stack development. The MERN stack is a popular and powerful technology stack used for building web applications. It consists of four main components: MongoDB, Express.js, React, and Node.js. In MongoDB, a NoSQL database that stores data in a flexible JSON-like format. MongoDB is known for its scalability and is commonly used for handling large amounts of unstructured or semi-structured data. And Express.js, a server-side web application framework for Node.js. Express simplifies the process of building robust and scalable server side applications and APIs. React, a JavaScript library for building interactive and dynamic user interfaces. React is widely used for creating the front end of web applications and provides a component based architecture. And the last one is Node.js, a runtime environment that allows you to run JavaScript on the server side. Node.js is used to create the server logic and handle server side operations. Here are the implementations, details, and conclusion of MERN stack. MongoDB. Install MongoDB on your server or use a cloud-based MongoDB service like MongoDB Atlas. Data modeling. Define the structure of your data by creating schemas for collections in your database. Connection. Use a MongoDB driver to establish a connection between your Node.js application and the MongoDB database. CRUD operation. Implement, create, read, update, and delete operations for interacting with the database. Express.js installation. Initialize a Node.js project, install Express, and set up your project's directory structure. Server setup. Create an Express server by defining routes, middleware, and handling HTTP requests. API routes. Define RESTful API routes for your application, such as routes for creating, reading, updating, and deleting data. React installation. Create a React application using tools like Create React App or by setting up your own build system with Webpack and Babel. Component structure. Organize your application into components following a component-based architecture. State management. Use React's state and props to manage the dynamic behavior of and data flow within your application. Consider using state management libraries like Redux if your application becomes complex. User interface. Design and develop the user interface by creating responsive and interactive components. Data fetching. Use AJAX requests like Axios and Fetch API to fetch data from your Express.js API endpoints and display it in your React components. Node.js API development. Create API endpoints using Express.js to handle data requests from the front end. Middleware. Implement middleware for tasks like authentication, error handling, and request logging. Integration. Integrate other packages and libraries as needed for features like authentication, file uploads, or third-party API integration. Connecting it all together. Front-end and back-end integration ensures that your React front-end can make HTTP requests to your Express.js backend using cross-origin resource sharing headers. Deployment. Deploy your MongoDB database, Express server, and React from front-end to a hosting provider. Example में Heroku, AWS, Vercel, and configure the necessary environment variables. Testing. Write unit tests for your backend routes and functions as well as front-end components to ensure the application functions correctly. And last is conclusion. Building a web application with MERN stack offers several advantages including efficiency, scalability, real-time updates, rich user interfaces. In efficiency, the stack uses JavaScript throughout, promoting code reuse and making it easier to developers to work on both the front end and back end. Scalability. MongoDB and Node.js are designed to handle high levels of traffic and data, making them suitable for scalable applications. Real-time updates. Which technologies like React and WebSocket integration, you can build real-time features in your application. Rich user interfaces. React allows you to create highly interactive and responsive user interfaces. In conclusion, full stack web development is a valuable skill set that allows developers to work on all aspects of web applications, from the user interface to the server and database. This comprehensive knowledge enables them to build complete and functional web solutions while facilitating collaboration between different development teams and stakeholders. Here I am created a website named as Hungry Monkey. I'll show you it's working. Firstly, I have to register here. Through the new user. I already registered myself, that's why I am directly going to login here. Before login, I tell you that if you forget your password, you have to just click on forgot password and enter your mail here and click on send mail. It forwarded your mail to in mail trap, where I already created an account in mail trap. Which helps you to change your forgotten password through it. I already registered myself, that's why I am going to. This is my email ID and this is my password. Now I am going to. You have to go to your restaurant part and order some food items. After clicking on add to cart, you can add your food item in cart. You can also increase or decrease your food item from here, and after that checkout, you have to fill your delivery address. I have cleared. Check out that. Continue. Now you have to proceed to payment. In this field you have to fill your card number 4242424242. This is a developer card number or used for testing, so I have filled that. And here card expiry date. CVV number is 242. Here I have one more web account where I created an account. This is a Stripe web where I created account and login here. This shows your payment history and also the acceptance of payment. And after that, after your order has been placed successfully, your cart value get 0. You can also check your order status from here. If you want to show here delivered, you have to change it from processing to deliver from your backend. Where is backend? Okay. This is backend data. Here we have to orders. Now see, here is processing. You have to edit here from processing to delivered. And update from here. Now you can see delivered, not delivered. It's delivered. Delivered. Now it turns green. If you want to check your order details, you can also go to your orders and here your full details, what items you want, what items you are ordering. So that is my overall MERN FULLSTACK project internship, which is learned from Webstack Academy. Thank you.